There you go.
Hey everybody, tonight we are here at the Crown Grill on board the Sun Princess.
The Sun Princess.
It's our first night on board, so
it is.
And it's late. We got a late dining here of 8:20, so we're really starving to death.
And I have been freezing to death on this ship. This ship is so cold. I'd have no makeup on.
I don't either.
Why don't you remind me to put makeup on before we left the
You
room?
didn't tell me to put makeup on. So neither one of us has makeup on. It's okay. Crown Grill. That's where we're at tonight.
So, I love Crown Grill. Crown Grill is one of my favorite places to eat.
Yes, we did vote it our favorite overall restaurant across 6 different cruise lines and about, 20 different ships or more. So, so their specialty, of course, is steak. And they have several different steaks to choose from. And so we've already picked the ones ours. We did take a picture of the menu, I hope.
We did.
Okay.
The menu.
So here it is, right here after this. That's why I had to edit it. But if you're not into steak and you still want to come, they also have a vegetarian dish, and they have lamb, and they have fish. So there is something for you.
Something for everybody.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew. Here at the Crown Grill tonight, I will be getting the Colossal Lump Crab Cake and the Kansas City Strip. Now, what's Robin from Sea Lake Journey going to get?
Robin's going to get the iceberg lettuce and the smallest steak there is, other than the filet mignon. It's the second one.
The New York Strip?
Yep, the New York Strip.
Okay.
And over here, what's over here?
Over there, they got the porterhouse and some lamb and some sea bass, lobster tail, and the beefsteak tomato for those vegetarians. For dessert, there's your desserts. You see the gluten-free is a key lime pie bar.
Okay.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew. She hasn't got her gluten-free bread yet, but I've got mine. Look at this massive bud, y'all. Look at that thing. Holy cow.
It's cheese bread, I believe. I believe it's cheese inside of it. Yeah.
Very crispy on the outside. Nice and crispy. Look at that, soft and flaky on the inside.
It's cheese on the inside.
Mmm.
Did you hear it crunch?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Fluffy on the inside, crunchy on the outside. Very tasty bread. Oh, there we go.
Okay, so I got gluten-free bread. Look at the cute little butter. Isn't it cute little butter? It's a cute.
How much butter is that? Just one? Two butter sauce.
Cute little butter dish. Look at that cute little baby butter.
Cute little butter.
So I got gluten-free bread, gluten-free toast actually.
Have you had expensive one?
Which gluten-free bread is better toasted?
It's really good.
Well, that's good. Because you don't always know what kind of gluten-free bread you're going to get.
Sometimes it's like
Cardboard.
This one's good. Okay.
All right.
So I have the
Wedge salad
wedge salad.
for a starter. And I've got the crab cake.
Crab
Crab cake. Bon appetit.
I just like salad.
Very crunchy on the outside. Very soft and warm. Even the plate's hot right now to my hand.
Look how much crab is in there. Look at all that crab.
Yeah. And it's good too, y'all. The little sauce they got wrapped around it.
Lemon.
Good too.
Is it lemon sauce?
Got lemon. Really good. I would eat this again. I got my steak, y'all. It's the Kansas City. Look at that. That's for medium. It's probably closer to medium well, but you know what? I'm going to take it. A little more done than I would want by. Oh. Tastes wonderful. Now what we have here on our plate is different salt. 3 different salts there. Can you see them? I don't want to spill it.
So that is applewood, black Himalaya, and pink Himalayan.
But-
It's got a lot of flavor though.
Yeah,
It's
still got,
really good.
and it's still pretty easy to cut too.
It tastes really good. Well,
I forgot I got mushrooms too and asparagus.
oh,
Put some big old mushrooms over there on your steak.
mushrooms over there.
Mm.
Thank you very much.
Oh, look at there. That's more doner now.
More doner.
Now show them yours.
So I got the
You want to have your baked potato loaded?
no, it's fine.
It's fine. You have the smoked pineapple root.
Mm-hmm.
The Himalayan salt.
Mm-hmm.
And the black Hawaiian salt. So much.
So I got the filet mignon, and I had asked them to butterfly it for me, so it would be medium, and that's a good medium. That's definitely a good medium.
Yes,
Okay, good evening.
that's good.
When it first came out, it was more medium.
See,
rare.
mine's a little overdone, but for what I would eat, and it's okay. I'll still eat it. If it ain't raw and it ain't burnt, I'll eat it.
So let's try it with just by itself. Really good. Very good.
I like to stack a little mushrooms up there on my steak.
So the filet mignon is very good. Very tasty. Very tender. I don't normally order filet mignons, but it was the smallest steak on the plate on the menu. Been the smallest steak on the menu. There's no way I could eat a 14-ounce steak.
Most good-looking way.
Now you're on.
Just-
Now you're on. See, recording now.
Hello. I'm serving
Sea Lake Journeys.
Tom Cruise and Nicole Kidman at this time.
Tom Cruise, Nicole Kidman.
Here we go. That's why I love my job. I see the world and get paid and seeing beautiful people for free every day.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
And you got to see us too.
And Keanu Reeves.
Okay, so I got key lime cheesecake, gluten-free, of course.
I got blueberry
Cheesecake.
cheesecake. Look at that, y'all. Very strong blueberry taste. It's very rich. There you go. That texture, y'all. Where's that camera at? There it is, over there. So good.
So mine has a walnut crust. I don't know if you see it. Let me turn it on this way.
Mine's got a graham cracker crust.
Mine has a walnut crust. The crust is actually better than the pie part because the pie part is not key lime. It's lime, but it's not key lime.
Those are real blueberries on there, y'all. Real blueberries. I would eat this again.
I would not eat this again.
Can't be that bad. Let me try. I'll try from the other end. Get your cooties on me. Well, I can't get it. Look at this. It's falling apart on me. For crying out loud. I finally got a bite.
It's not because it's gluten-free either.
No,
It's just lime.
it's artificial.
It's
not even
artificial lime. It's artificial lime.
artificial lemon, maybe? Or
It's lime. It's just artificial lime flavor.
that's not good.
It's not good.
This is good. I picked the winner with the blueberry.
He thinks he's always a winner. That's the problem.
I am a winner. Mary's a winner right here. Oh yeah, welcome to the Crown Grill. This is our second time on this cruise on the Sun Princess. And yeah,
So the first time we both had steaks. This time I'm having lobster.
I'm still having a steak, but a different steak this time.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry we didn't have you the watermelon margarita. We
Okay.
have only the regular because they didn't have the ingredients.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
That's okay.
Your iceberg. And your
Okay.
gluten-free toast is coming.
Okay, thank you.
So much. How about my fresh pepper, Ma'am Ruby? Hello, is that live?
Yes.
Am I beautiful in the video?
Yeah.
A little bit. Only two of you good looking in the video. That's unfair.
Okay, so we both got the iceberg salad, which is a wedge salad with the bacon and blue cheese.
So much. I'll be back.
I'll be here.
So we both got salads, but we decided we would share a shrimp cocktail. So it's only 3 pieces of shrimp. It's still a nice shrimp cocktail.
They're really big shrimp.
Yeah, they're pretty big shrimp. Put the lemon on it. They're locked together. They're hooked together. There we go. So that's how big the shrimp is.
Big.
He's got a little bit of lettuce on him. That green stuff is a little bit of lettuce. That's all it is, a little bit of lettuce. And it's horseradish.
Hello, this is the gluten-free toast.
Thank you.
And I am your waitress. Okay?
I think it's funny because even though they advertise their cocktail sauce as having horseradish in it, it's not like my cocktail sauce. My cocktail sauce has horseradish in it. This has horseradish in it.
Yeah. Hey, it's horseradish. Wait, she makes it have horseradish. This whole
Okay,
steak.
so there's my lobster.
That's my target.
There's
This is your asparagus to share
All right.
and the baked potato.
Baked
huge
potatoes?
steak. Look how big that steak is. What are you going to do with that big old steak?
Load the baked potato with the sour cream bacon chives.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Yeah, that's a
Baked potato, and she's going to put sour
Sour
cream
cream.
and chives on it.
yeah.
Okay. Whew.
Okay, the main course is here, y'all, and there's a lot of it.
There's a lot of it.
Remove the shell. Slowly, slowly.
That's a nice big old lobster right there, y'all.
It is.
Okay, the shell just got removed on that for Mountain from Sea Lake Journeys.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you so
you.
much. Yes.
And how about that? I'm here.
I've got this right here. I forgot which one it was. That's big.
Ribeye.
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 Yes. Boneless ribeye.
There you go. Enjoy your dinner.
We also got baked potatoes and some asparagus.
Really, really good.
Here's my steak. Look how good that cook is. Mm-hmm. Mmm. No sauce of any kind. Doesn't need it.
He's putting his applewood salt on it.
Mm-hmm. I am not going to be able to eat all this, y'all. This is a massive steak. Thanks for joining us at the Crown Grill on the Sun Princess. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.